Hi, it's Porsche Centre Dublin. Presented today this 2019 Porsche Cayenne 3-litre petrol. This Cayenne 3-litre petrol is finished in jet black metallic with full extended black leather interior. BOSE surround sound, driver memory package, satellite navigation, sport chrono package, panoramic roof system, complete this wonderful spec Cayenne. Exterior wise, full black package, including 21-inch RS Spyders in two-tone silver and dark grey. Tinted rear tail lights, park assist with reversing camera, sports tailpipes. Should you wish to take a closer look at this vehicle, please contact Porsche Centre Dublin on 01 235 3375. Thank you.